Hello viewers, namaste, welcome back to my video. My name is Ganga. In this today's live video, I will show you how our software WinTrader help you to pick correct entry exit in forex trading. Our software actually is a supporting software which support all major financial market, and you can use it for intraday, swing trading and scalping trading. Today I will show you in forex market, and the pair I select is Euro USD, and the time frame I select is 30 minute, because in forex trading we are preferring higher time frame, like you can use it 50 minute, 30 minute and 1 hour time frame for that is preferable time frame, and which gives you better result. So I selected this 30 minute time frame, and you can see this is real-time market value, and this green up arrow, that is our buy signal, and red down arrow is a sell signal. So both signals are automatic signals. Whenever software generates a signal at the same time, there is an alert, there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with sound effect. The same details also mentioned in the above dashboard. So software gives automatic signals, and if there is a sideways indications, then that time also software gives indication. So before this software, as I told, software gives signals, but we don't need to take all the signals, because first we need to check whether the signal is confirm or not. So confirmation means there are two confirmation parameters there. If these two confirmations are okay, then directly you can take the trade in your trading platform, and you can see our software is in MD4 platform. So if your trading platform is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader and MetaTrader 5 is there now. So direct configuration MetaTrader to MetaTrader, we can directly configure the files. So if you have MD4 as a trading platform, then we can directly configure our software in your trading platform, and so that you can directly take position from that platform also. So if your platform is in MD5, there is no problem. We will directly install the software, our software MD4 in your system. By checking the signal confirmation, you can directly take the position in your not directly, you can take the position in your MD5 platform. You can open your MD4 platform, and directly you can take and you can execute the trade in MD5 platform. So if you have MD4 platform, then directly we can configure. So I will explain how to follow the confirmation, means how to check confirmation signal. So you can see last we got a buy signal, and already it went up, and you can see this green up arrow is a buy signal. So once the signal is come now, after that you have to check first the arrow will come, after that you have to check the confirmation. First confirmation on below, it will show like price and buy zone, that is the first and main confirmation. Second confirmation, we got buy signal like this candle now. So you have to enter in the second candle's opening rate, because our entry point that is second candle's opening rate. So you have to enter with the second candle. So before taking the position on second candles, below that second candle, you can see there is a bar is there now. That is our confirmation bar. Let me reduce the volume. Second confirmation on below that second candle, you can see there is a bar is there now. That bar, it should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be in green color. So only two confirmation. First the arrow will come, after that a price and buy zone and the bar confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, that means the signal is confirmed, then you can directly take the position in your trading platform. And you can see this actually this is a bar chart pattern. Bar chart means why we are using this bar chart for, because we can't directly that if market is going sideways, software automatically say the colors of this bar. No, there is no difference between these candles and bar chart. Only the main difference, only facility is if the market is going sideways now, then automatically software will change the colors of this bar. So you can directly check if the market is going sideways, then directly you can identify that market right now the market is sideways. Normal candle colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, you can see some different colors will form, like right now it's forming that light blue now, light blue, orange color, white candles are MD candles. So these are the indication of sideways. So sideways indication is not possible in checking the sideways, is not possible in normal candlestick pattern. In normal candlestick, there is no option for checking the sideways indication. That's why we are preferring this bar chart pattern. So if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of this bar. And you can see in between this candlestick there is a red and green line is going, and that is a trend line. This green line indicating the uptrend of the market, and red line indicating the downtrend of the market. and you can see this red stars are there, that is a resistance level of the market, and on below you can see this blue star, that is a support level of the market, and on the right side you can see overall trend of the market in what's the time, the trend in 5 minute and 50 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. You can see in one chart you can see all the trend, overall trend is displayed in that right hand side corner. And the same strategy can apply for all the segment, like our software support all major financial market and is all work with real time data. And if the signals come and if it is confirmed signal, definitely it will give 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. And this is our latest version 8.1, and this is a live demonstration. I took a demo this video in live market. And if you are interested to know more about our product WinTrader, and if you want to check live demonstration, you can directly contact me through WhatsApp or call. My number is 9061973737, and on below this description box you can see my WhatsApp link is there. Just click there and you can come to direct chat. And if you guys interested to visit our office, most welcome. Our office here in Kshetra, Kerala. And if you're interested to know more about our product, you can contact. And thank you for watching my video.